hack is for belts. I don't know for you all, but I have always had the problem where I put on a jean and put on a belt, the end always keeps sticking out. So what I do for that is I actually take a double-sided tape and stick in the end of the belt. This way it will stay whole day without even people noticing it. You can also use those thinner double-sided tapes that are easily available, but I like to use the thicker ones so that I'm sure it will not come off in the day and it stays put. Tag is for dresses and shirt that doesn't have a belt loop, or the belts that are too long to be tucked into any of those loops. So when this happens, a great hack is to use an elastic rubber band. Here I am using a black elastic rubber band which is super tiny and undetectable. But if you don't have one of those, you can always go with one of your black hair elastics. You just have to loop it all the way into the belt. For this, you just have to use a double loop like that. The great thing is that when you put on the belt, you can position the hair elastic to be exactly where you want it to be. So that way you don't have to always rely on your dresses and shorts to have the perfect loop on the perfect place. Another way for this is to just take the belt end and just loop it around and tuck it in. This also actually looks very put together and stylish. My next hack is to how to do the proper sleeve cuffs. Take the sleeves and fold it twice as long. And then you fold the bottom halfway. That way you have a really symmetrical cuff and you still have the detail on the end of the sleeves. And then you get the perfectly symmetrical cuffs. I love oversized items, but sometimes they can look too much. So what I do to make them look more presentable is to just tuck in the shirt and roll up the sleeves. It makes a huge difference. But sometimes these oversized sleeves and the thicker fabrics can make the cuff look very bulky. So I usually save the hair elastics that are loose and I will put the elastic on the sleeves mid-arm. And then basically fold it over and scrunch it up. Just make sure that you're distributing the foldings evenly. Next hack is for how to turn your normal crew socks into a no-show socks. What you do is you just wear your regular crew socks as you would and you flip it down the heel and past your toe and loop it backwards up your heel. So this way you create a great no-show socks that you can slip it into any heels or sneakers. Next hack is for those shirts and tops that you don't wear because of the low neckline and you're not comfortable going out with those. So a great hack for that is just wear your shirt backside front, and that way you can keep all the cute details that are on the front on the back and it will look great. No one will know that you're wearing your shirt backside front. This is also a great hack for when you want your shirt to have a new look and feel. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.